Top 10 altcoins to watch in 2023. As their very name suggests, altcoins offer a compelling and alternative way to invest in cryptocurrencies. For traders with the foresight and ability to identify the sector's top contenders, the rewards and returns have the potential to truly life-changing. However, with approximately 20,000 cryptocurrencies currently in circulation, the task is certainly not an easy one. As you read through this article, the unique characteristics and qualities of the top altcoins will be plain to see. However, each one shares a similar aim, to revolutionize cryptocurrency sector. Yet, with over 2,000 cryptocurrencies having failed since Bitcoin's inception, it is certainly a high risk-reward proposition. But which coins are worth your time and which are the most likely to possess the longevity to make them worth your investment? Read on as we reveal which are your top altcoins for 2023. Why is there so much excitement about altcoins? Altcoins represent all the other cryptocurrencies apart from Bitcoin. The sheer number of altcoins in circulation is growing at a startling rate. In December 2021, there were thought to be approximately 5,300 altcoins. A little more than 6 months later, that number had shot up to be in the region of 20,000. While many altcoins are just starting out, some of the more established altcoins already have passionate followings and market capitalizations running into billions of dollars. Altcoins can indeed be an ideal option for investors looking for a coin that incorporates new technological features and user functionality. If an altcoin has a unique selling point that can make it highly popular, this could then send its price spiraling upwards. The gap in the market that altcoins are aiming to fill partly comes down to Bitcoin being the victim of its own success. Bitcoin's breakthrough has resulted in incredible returns for its investors. In 2010 it would have been possible to buy one Bitcoin for less than $1, but since then, the price has reached highs of around $68,000. Bitcoin's phenomenal growth has exposed issues to the way it functions. For example, Bitcoin currently uses an amount of energy equivalent to entire countries, such as Argentina and the Netherlands. While that might not have been such an issue in 2009, times have changed, and with Bitcoin unable to adapt, altcoins are looking to carry the flag for the crypto revolution. How are altcoins different to Bitcoin? Each altcoin system is trying to improve its chances of success by setting up their background infrastructure in different ways. They might have functionality that means they have improved transaction speeds or lower operating costs. Some prioritize their role as a store of value, others as a form of currency to be used in transactions, and some offer new groundbreaking ways of exploiting the full potential of blockchain technology. Altcoins try to learn from the mistakes of earlier coins, keep the elements that work, but upgrade where they can. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has built on its strong brand as the original crypto and still attracts many who see it as the new way to store wealth. Which altcoins are worth your investment? With the above in mind, which altcoins are worth your consideration? Below is our list of the best altcoins to buy in 2022, each one with their own compelling reason to invest in. Even the most ardent followers of crypto would warn against investing only in one coin, but a diversified portfolio offers the chance to catch the upside on those that do turn out to be winners. Which altcoins are worth your investment? Read on as we provide a clear overview of the unique characteristics of the following. 1. Cosmos, ATOM, altcoin with the best interoperability functionality. The popularity of Cosmos comes down to the pivotal role it could play in allowing different crypto blockchains to interact with each other. The interoperability the coin provides is its big selling point, as it gets around each crypto blockchain being a closed environment. Distributed ledger protocols of crypto platforms are an effective means of keeping track of how much each investor owns, but has resulted in communication between different blockchains being difficult. Cosmos offers a way for the crypto sector to reach its full potential, and for that reason, is popular with tech-savvy investors and mainstream institutional firms. Paradigm, Bain Capital and One Confirmation are all big-name, early doors investors in Cosmos, thanks to the coin's potential to solve the problems of scalability and sustainability, which continue to dog the crypto space. Cosmos and its Atom token could be set for another price spike thanks to the way they allow blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana to collect and share data. While other coins have been set up to perform a similar function, Cosmos has a head start on the rest of the field. Furthermore, the management team and backers reads like a who's who of the crypto industry. 2THE Sandbox, SAND, best altcoin to invest in the metaverse. If you thought crypto investing was about picking the coin most likely to be used to store wealth and perform transactions, then the Sandbox demonstrates the need to think again. Since it was first released in 2012, the Sandbox has pushed the boundaries on the type of services blockchain technology can provide. The user-generated gaming platform exploits the potential of the metaverse by allowing users from around the world to create, enjoy, and sell virtual worlds. User interaction levels are high, with players from around the world being able to communicate and network with each other with the shared aim of completing tasks to earn Sand tokens. Support from celebrities has raised the profile of the Sandbox, but it is also backed by big corporations such as Atari Inc, which is developing a virtual theme park on the platform. Early adopters can enjoy the interactive experience of the Sandbox and also hope that as user numbers grow, so will demand for Sand, which will drive up the price of the tokens. Those who aren't natural gamers but share the view that the metaverse will take off can buy Sand at brokers such as eToro. Then it's a case of waiting for changes to social networking behavior to come into play. 3yearn.finance, Wi-Fi, best altcoin to explore decentralized finance, DeFi, opportunities. Unlike some of the big players, yearn.finance is less about providing an entire blockchain, but instead, it runs protocols that enable investors in a variety of coins to get the best yield on their holdings. Put in its simplest terms, the yearn protocol associated with ETH connects borrowers and lenders. This means that there is no need for a financial intermediary, which reduces cost. The advanced coding used to make matches ensures returns are optimized. Yearn.finance investors lend to counterparties who provide collateral for the exchange and agree to repay the loan with interest at a predetermined date. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is one of the growing trends in the crypto market, and the neat features of Yearn.finance take the traditional model of lending and borrowing to another level. ETH is an altcoin that offers a way to capture the full potential of what modern cryptocurrencies offer. As such, it is well positioned to benefit from growth in the DeFi market. Reports from the Yearn.finance team make for interesting reading. They reveal that new operations are being trialed, which will expand the coin services into other areas of the finance ecosystem. Leveraging of stable coins will be provided by eTrade.finance, and iBorrow.finance will provide credit delegation vaults for smart contract to smart contract lending. For Uniswap, UNI, altcoin offering the benefits of decentralized trading. Founded in 2018, Uniswap has been rated by CoinMarketCap as one of the top altcoins to buy thanks to the way it enables investors to trade cryptos without needing to use a centralized exchange. Uniswap can itself be thought of as an exchange, but one that investors can buy into by purchasing UNI, which offers neat features for the traders who use it. One way Uniswap stands out is that it uses AMM, automated market maker, protocols to make the pricing of coins more straightforward. This is a move away from relying on the traditional model of using bid and offer spreads to determine market price. Uniswap, in contrast, calculates a mid price using metrics such as market liquidity and the market cap of coins. Bid-offer spreads at conventional exchanges are notoriously wide, which makes trading cryptos expensive. Indeed, this altcoin offers a user-friendly way to circumnavigate that problem. Another attractive feature of Uniswap is that it's also possible to generate a return on your holding of UNI. Investors who become part of the Uniswap system and provide liquidity are rewarded with interest. Any form of passive income is always welcome. 5 Decentraland, MANA, leading real estate metaverse altcoin. Like the Sandbox, Decentraland taps into the growing metaverse market but does so with a real estate twist. More importantly, user numbers and the size of transactions are on the rise. Big institutional investors, including Cosmos Ventures, Animoca Brands and Alpha Sigma Capital, are buying into Decentraland, which has resulted in the coin developing a market capitalization that has moved it into the top 40 cryptos by size. It's also reported that in late 2021 the virtual real estate lot named Fashion Street Estate was sold for $2.4 million. Not all of the property deals involving MANA are of that scale. Small-time players can buy entry-level price Decentraland real estate using MANA coins, and that means the virtual world being developed has a broad following. The platform is currently one of the largest metaverse-related cryptocurrencies in the market, and as more are drawn to the decentralized metaverse, the amount of coins needed to finance transactions can be expected to increase in price. As with the Sandbox, a position in Decentraland could be an investment that pays off in the long term. The societal changes needed for metaverse platforms to become more mainstream take time to work through the system, but Decentraland is one of the frontrunners. That makes it one of the altcoins where the growth prospects outweigh the potential downside. 6. Axie.infinity, AXS, best altcoin for tapping gaming potential. Axie.infinity offers a way for online gamers to earn crypto while playing the games they love. Users are rewarded with AXS, Axie.infinity Shard, and SLP, Smooth Luck Potion, tokens by breeding and raising Pokemon-style characters. Those who might not necessarily be born gamers can still benefit from the growth in online gaming by buying the coins as an investment and benefiting from price rises as the platform becomes more popular. There is also an NFT, non-fungible token, element to Axie. The unique Axie characters are an NFT form and are traded between users, with the most expensive reportedly commanding a 300 ETH, approximately $510,000, price tag. The success of AXS is tied to the long-term prospects of the play-to-earn sector. With prices of the coin expected to continue to rise over the next 5 years, this could indeed be an altcoin for traders of the gaming persuasion to bear in mind as it, and others like it, enter the mainstream. 7. Polkadot, DOT, best multifunctional altcoin. Polkadot has surged in value due to it providing user-friendly solutions to several challenges facing other cryptocurrencies. DOT is on the up, and demand for the coin has built to the extent that it has moved within the range of the top 10 of cryptos by market capitalization and is now valued at $8.2 billion. Polkadot is a programmable blockchain, which means, like Cardano and Ethereum, users can build decentralized applications, Dapps, or even create their own crypto or gaming platforms. As a relatively new entrant, it has taken the best parts of established blockchain technology and bolted on some neat additional features. Another upside of buying Polkadot is that it allows staking. Holders of coins who tie their position up for a period of time can expect to receive additional coins as a form of interest, and the annual yield is typically in the region of 10%. It is also much more energy efficient than Ethereum, which answers the question of how cryptos can become more sustainable. Polkadot, like Cosmos, also addresses the problem of interoperability. It enables other blockchains to communicate with each other, which adds another item to an already impressive list of reasons why Polkadot is one of the best multifunctional altcoins to buy now. 8. Cardano, ADA, altcoin with the most developed mainstream client base. The slump in crypto prices during the first half of 2022 has impacted some coins less than others. Cardano has fallen in value by around 64% since the start of the year, but its strong branding and neat tech features meant it didn't fall as far as some of its peers. Underlying strength of demand suggests that now could be the time to buy into price weakness. A quick double check of ADA price history shows that its all-time high, at the time of writing, was up more than 3,000% from its launch price in 2017. One of the attractive features of Cardano is that it is programmable and allows users to create Dapps. There are other cryptos that offer that functionality, but Cardanos have been rolled out into real-world, mainstream programs. One example being the decision by the government of Ethiopia to use Cardano to create a blockchain-based national ID system. Those looking for a potential catalyst to cause the price of ADA to surge will want to monitor the progress of the hard fork in the Cardano blockchain, which is due to take place in 2022. Called Vacil, the extensive upgrade of blockchain protocols will result in transaction times being faster, cheaper and possibly in smaller size. The Vacil fork is one of several long-term and well-thought-out upgrades the creators have lined up for Cardano, which means it is well-positioned to take advantage of future developments in the crypto sector. 9. Solana, SOL, altcoin with the most commercial approach. Like Cardano and Ethereum, Solana is a Layer 1 blockchain. That means that it can be used to support users looking for a home for their innovative new projects as well as carrying out transactions. The potential growth of markets such as NFTs is hard to estimate with any accuracy, but Solana is in a good position to be able to maximize its involvement in the space. Processing times at Solana are faster at Cardano, and it also offers cost savings over its big rivals. The governance structure of Solana also gives it an edge over many other altcoins. It was created in 2017 by Solana Labs of California. While other cryptos morphed out of a more egalitarian and principled approach, Solana has been set up in an attempt to make its investors money. Whereas Ethereum is still overseen by the not-for-profit Ethereum Foundation, those managing Solana have a keen eye on the bottom line. As a result, decision-making is streamlined, which means upgrades are implemented more quickly. For traders, it is worthwhile to consider that Solana focuses on giving users what they want, rather than changing the world. 10 Ethereum, ETH, best alternative to Bitcoin. Last but not least on our list of the best altcoins is Ethereum. Its place on our list is partly because of its size, market cap of $203 billion, and prominent position in the market. Whereas, close to 5 years ago, Bitcoin accounted for 87% of the crypto market, it is cryptos and Bitcoin's closest competitors such as Ethereum that have seen this erode to around 42% today. Originally intended to complement Bitcoin, Ethereum has grown to challenge BTC for the top spot in the market thanks to its executable code, which allows for transactions that are faster than those of Bitcoin. Ethereum's pitch to investors is that it is the most usable coin with the strongest brand recognition. Through 2021 it was the Ethereum platform that innovative producers of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, turned to when they were looking to launch their innovative products. It is also well positioned to benefit from the exploits of other altcoins with Axie.infinity and Decentraland being examples of altcoins that have chosen Ethereum to host their platforms. Another major price driver of Ethereum is the tech upgrade called the merge. This involves a change from proof of work, POW, to proof of stake, POS, protocols. The merge represents a major overhaul of how the Ethereum blockchain operates and will allow holders of ETH to stake their coins. The upcoming reorganization is so extensive that the planned rollout has suffered a number of setbacks. But if, or probably more accurately, when it is finally completed, the price of ETH can be expected to bounce. Ethereum's move to POS will mean a market-leading coin will solve some of the aforementioned problems associated with cryptocurrencies and their energy use. Altcoin funds. The obvious dilemma facing altcoin investors is how to take positions in the best coins but not back losers. To allow investors to spread their allocation range of altcoins with the click of one button, some brokers have come up with special instruments which can be thought of a basket of altcoins. Some of the funds cover a range of altcoins, while others, such as eToro's DeFi portfolio, focus on coins in the decentralized finance space. Altcoin funds allow traders to spread the risk on their positions and hope that the gains on the winners outweigh the losses on the trades that don't pay off. They also offer a low-maintenance way of taking positions in the best altcoins without having to devote time to researching the pros and cons of all the coins in the market. Which cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023? Cryptocurrencies have made the transition to the mainstream. Streaming prices of respective coins are now relayed on mainstream business media sites like CNBC.com, and adoption in countries like Australia spans across generation. But what are the specific cryptocurrencies you should watch in 2023? Following the onset of the pandemic and the subsequent monetary policy reactions from policymakers to protect their economies, public balance sheets ballooned the world over. This explosion in money supply opened the door to a new era of digital currency adoption as it was anticipated that fiat currencies might collapse and conventional payment networks would crumble. For the crypto maximalists, this never materialized. In fact, the opposite was true. Large legacy payment service providers like Visa NYSE, V, and MasterCard NYSE, MA, are now more entrenched and profitable than ever, providing lip service to crypto while continuing to forge ahead on the existing infrastructure. This realization has crushed the optimism of the crypto markets. Bitcoin has retreated from the highs of 2021 when it surpassed 60,000 cust. The entire market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies has dwindled from nearly used it in 2021 to below $1 trillion today. Furthermore, the folding of FTX sent shockwaves around the market. The FTX bankruptcy wasn't a precursor, it happened deep into a long and tortuous slide in the cryptocurrency market. The shockwaves from the FTX collapse will continue to be felt for some time. With BlockFi and Genesis getting caught in the blast, ceasing operations and clinging to life, respectively, more may tumble in the weeks and months ahead after critical damage to their foundations is uncovered. Not all doom and gloom. There's no denying the crypto market has retreated in recent months, but this is a nascent space and rapid growth will always be met with stumbles and falls. The number of cryptocurrencies today is more than twice that at the start of 2021. With the explosion in coins comes the proliferation of applications. There will be many duds amongst this new breed, and there are also possibly some fantastic growth stories and incredibly useful tools. Despite its recent trials and tribulations, BTC has rebounded post the FTX collapse, seeking out the 17,000 handle, more than 3 times the depths of the pandemic plus a 5,000 and a 16 times increase in value from the beginning of 2017. As we look forward to 2023, for the uninitiated, here are some cryptocurrencies to consider. Bitcoin, BTC. Cryptocurrencies, in effect, are pieces of an enormous settlement ledger. They are created in one of two ways. Through the creation of supply via an allocation to the first computer to solve a puzzle, or over an infinite ledger, in addition of supply as and when the manager of the ledger deems appropriate. Bitcoin is of the former variety, an immutable record of transactions over a finite number of blocks in the chain. The total mined BTC sits at just over 19 million. There are only 21 million in the entire chain. Once the final block is mined, there will be no new supply of BTC and the market will have to adjust its valuations accordingly. For the ideologues and maximalists, the cutoff in the new money supply is a major pull factor. If widely adopted, Bitcoin has the potential to be a useful cross-border currency, cashless, more secure than bank accounts, irreducible through increased supply as the US dollar is, and an excellent and compact store of wealth. The road to that final destination is still a long one. Adoption as a form of payment is still very limited, costly, and inefficient. Visa and MasterCard, alongside traditional fiat settlement mechanisms, are still vastly more accessible and convenient. It would seem that while the FTX collapse is very damaging for the whole crypto ecosystem, there is still a lot of belief in growth in the sector. With improvements in their own self-regulation and learning from their mistakes, the advocates will go about their business and improve with each difficult lesson. Whether BTC reigns supreme or is consigned to the history books is yet to be decided. If you are on the side of cryptocurrencies rising again, as many are, then your first point of call for a crypto investment should be BTC. It is still the primary means through which to enter the crypto world, with most currencies requiring a BTC cross in order to execute. The correlation of BTC with the wider crypto ecosystem and altcoins is very high. If you wish to gain exposure to this still growing sector of the economy, BTC is the first port of call. Ethereum, ETH. The second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is ETH. ETH is most often referred to as a smart contract, a stepping stone to the world of altcoins. New ETH was created in much the same fashion as BTC. It is a blockchain that, until recently, utilized a decentralized group of users to unlock the blockchain and assign blocks of the currency to the successful problem solver. A fork in the design means that the currency will no longer be mined by computers in the conventional sense and will revert to a set supply of coins. ETH differs from BTC in that, by design, it has fostered an entire ecosystem of cryptocurrencies and networks that leverage its programming technology. Where BTC was designed to get rid of money, ETH was designed to replace financial institutions. Relying on the central and immutable ledger rather than on separate institutions to match the record of a multilateral transaction. ETH is still growing rapidly and has spawned thousands of new coins and applications from its programming foundation, often referred to as altcoins. Currently settling more than 1 million transactions per day, it has a long way to go before matching the Visa and MasterCard daily transaction processing capability of approximately 150 million. If you are interested in the potential of crypto in replacing existing labor-intensive, insecure, and inefficient transaction networks, then ETH is the entry point in cryptocurrency for you. ALTCOIN, AP. In the first quarter of 2022, ALTCOIN was released by the makers of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, BOYC. The ape was made famous for the creation of a range of non-fungible token, NFT, prints of apes and a variety of outfits and poses. As a range of digital collectibles that are unable to be recreated, BAKE was widely successful until the wind went out of the NFT market earlier this year. The market capitalization of the BAKE collection is still close to $1 billion. The ape is designed to leverage that interest in the bake and bake NFT collection with a coin built upon the core of the ETH ecosystem. With the interest in bake still high amongst its most ardent fans and NFT owners, Ape provides another avenue for fan engagement and delivery of the bake product line. After a rocky start to the year, the Ape coin is on the up of late, rallying over 25% from the 22nd of November. No investment is without risk, and this could not be more true when investing in the cryptocurrency space and, in particular, altcoins. Only invest what you are prepared to lose. Any speculation in Ape is about as risky an investment that one can make. Ensure you understand the risk going in, obtain a secure wallet, and be prepared for extreme volatility. Dogecoin, DOG. Created as a joke in response to a widely circulated meme and the proliferation of coins with seemingly zero utility, Doge has quickly become the darling of the alternative thinking Gen Z. At times touted, mainly in jest, by Elon Musk, Doge has become a symbol of the techno zeitgeist of the younger generation. Cheering on everything transformative and absurd about crypto and digital forums. Not one to pass up on a marketing opportunity, tying some funding of moon missions to Doge has further boosted both Musk and Doge's popularity. It is a coin that doesn't take itself too seriously, which has led many to take it very seriously. The founders generally had altruistic and humorous intentions at heart. Doge blocks can in our mind. Their utility outside of marketing stunts is continuing to grow, and the humor in its marketing approach is working in its favor in terms of distribution and interest. Doge has climbed over 70% from the lows of early October 2022 and is currently the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. As with Ape and any other cryptocurrency, but particularly in the field of altcoins, as Doge is, exercise extreme caution before entering any speculative transaction with Doge. Though the code base and utility are proven and secure, the value is extremely volatile, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Avalanche. Because the network processes transactions using 3 chains rather than just one, the AVX token takes a novel approach to scaling. This makes Avalanche one of the finest Ethereum alternatives by increasing transaction speed and scalability, decreasing gas expenses, and increasing scalability. Avalanche is frequently traded for Ethereum by cryptocurrency investors, enhancing the token's demand. Polkadot. Polkadot is another highly promising blockchain platform with a lot of potential for growth in 2023. Like Ethereum, Polkadot enables developers to build decentralized applications, Dapps, but it also supports cross-chain interactions between different blockchains, which Ethereum does not. This makes Polkadot much more versatile than other platforms and opens up endless possibilities for innovation. Furthermore, Polkadot has already secured partnerships with some major players in the crypto space, including China's Web3 Foundation, and continues to gain traction among developers and investors alike. Given all these factors, there's no reason why Polkadot couldn't emerge as one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies within the next few years. Aave, AAV. Users of Aave, AAV, a decentralized lending network based on Ethereum, can accrue profits on cryptocurrency deposits. Its features include crypto collateral loans, which allow users to utilize cryptocurrencies as collateral for loans, and flash loans, which enable users to borrow money against their deposits without first selling them. The native token of Aave, called Aave, is utilized to cover platform charges and give users access to platform administration. Algorand, ALGO. Algorand, ALGO, is a fast-growing cryptocurrency project that offers interoperable transactions with low fees. It is a simple coin that is listed on a number of fantastic exchanges where consumers may obtain government assistance. It also has a rapidly increasing NFT market, which may entice more investors to purchase Algorand, ALGO. Solana, SOL. The next-generation smart contract platform. Widely regarded as one of the most advanced smart contract platforms, Solana has gathered a huge amount of momentum and captured the imagination of the crypto community since it launched in 2019. The platform can now be considered a flourishing ecosystem of Dapps, many of which are unique to the Solana platform. Although it's more than 3 years in the making, Solana can still be considered a new cryptocurrency to watch since it's still in its beta release. Though it's production ready, the platform has suffered from several hiccups in the last 2 years which have stunted its growth somewhat. As an ultra-scalable, energy-efficient, high-speed, and developer-friendly smart contract platform. Some believe that Solana will be used to host the next generation of mass-market Dapps. The altcoin is down more than 87% since reaching its all-time highest value back in November 2021, giving it serious room for recovery and making it one of the top cryptos to watch. Final thoughts. Speculative investing in cryptocurrencies is an extremely risky venture. Exercise extreme caution and only invest what you are prepared to lose. Crypto is an entertaining, exciting, and exploding center of finance that will certainly have a major role to play in the future. Top 10 crypto investors to follow on Twitter. Crypto's groundbreaking approach has captured the attention of millions of investors, some of whom have made life-changing sums of money. With many in the financial establishment being late to the party, it isn't big banks or established analysts who crypto investors turn to for investment ideas. Instead, it's the social media channels such as Twitter that have become among the best places to crowdsource information. Our top 10 crypto investors to follow on Twitter features profiles that share their trading ideas with thousands of followers. Establishing which are the best to follow is a logical step towards making your crypto trading successful. Why follow investors on social media? The Ask Traders list of the top 10 crypto investors to follow on Twitter has been compiled to reflect the diverse nature of the most popular authentic accounts. The profiles listed have been selected for their ability to appeal to a wider audience, ranging from true industry insiders to high-profile individuals and those profiles that approach the crypto sector and offer a fresh twist on proceedings. Read on as we investigate which profiles are truly worthy of your social media timelines. 1. The Crypto Monk, @TheCryptoMonk. The Crypto Monk is an ideal Twitter account for those who are taking their first steps into adopting trading ideas from social media sources. The account was established in 2012, only 3 years after Bitcoin was born. If you want to share the thoughts of someone who has been following cryptocurrencies for more than a decade, the Crypto Monk is the account to head to. The Crypto Monk offers an all-round approach to crypto research, including detailed analysis and practical trading ideas. It's an ideal account if you're looking for insight on Bitcoin. The guidance offered is based on technical as well as fundamental analysis. In an interesting twist, research carried out by the Crypto Monk also incorporates developments in other markets such as commodities and precious metals. It is this high-level approach that results in the conclusions of the Crypto Monk's research being well thought through. 2. Crypto Poor Boy, @CryptoPoorBoy. The crypto sector is renowned for the pace at which changes can take place. That means newcomers such as Crypto Poor Boy, who gain a reputation for making the right calls, can establish their reputations in a short space of time. Crypto Poor Boy's position as one of the new trendsetters is backed up by the fact that he has amassed more than 100,000 followers in less than 2 years. Crypto Poor Boy's comments extend to a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and altcoins are both catered for, and he has a reputation for identifying coins when they are rumored to be about to be listed on major platforms like Coinbase. When those listings occur, a groundswell of new buying interest often sends price surging, so following Crypto Poor Boy and buying in early can result in significant gains though. The potential for losses will also need to be factored in. One interesting feature of the Crypto Poor Boy profile is that a large number of posts are retweets rather than original messages. The idea sharing ethos of Twitter means that the source of an idea isn't important, but knowing the best place to go to keep up to date with events. 3. Once, @SmartContractor. As they evolve, cryptocurrencies have continued to develop their functionality. This extends beyond them simply acting as a form of currency. The NFT, non-fungible token, craze of 2021 made many crypto traders rich. One such Twitter account that specializes in spotting the next big thing is Blunts. The Blunts account was created in 2017 and now has more than 211,000 followers. The commentary specializes on the smart contract area of the crypto sector and also the Ethereum platform, which a large number of smart contracts are set up on. Blunts posts trading ideas that involve quite detailed technical analysis on major coins and other asset groups such as gold. The profile is useful for spotting developing trends, as Blunt states in their bio, trader and bubble chaser when one pops find the next one. 4. Cred, @CryptoCred. Any Twitter account with nearly 500,000 followers needs to be considered when drawing up a short list of the best crypto investors on the platform. Cred's appeal to many of his followers is that, while offering specialist insight into the crypto sector, he also offers thoughts on the macro environment. Posts appear carefully selected and are typically made every few days. The information provided is very much about quality rather than quantity. There are tweets on this profile on subjects ranging from how to develop a trading mentality to the correlation between cryptos and major stock markets. I wrote an article about trading psychology a year ago. CryptoCred is an ideal account for traders with a more selective approach. The mantra here is best explained by his comment during a podcast: don't manage a bad position. Wait for the right one and take it from a position of strength. 5. CryptoYoda, at CryptoYoda1338. CryptoYoda taps into the alternative standpoint associated with cryptocurrencies and the hardcore following the coins attract. Here, the followers are shared into thoughts on market prices but are also treated to reports and articles on why cryptos need to keep their distinctive characteristics rather than merge into the mainstream. CryptoYoda's passion for blockchain projects doesn't cloud his analysis, and he has predicted price crashes as well as market rallies. If you want the views of someone who has been in the sector for years and has a track record of spotting trends, then CryptoYoda is one of the top profile choices out there. CryptoYoda describes his approach as being based on a strong emphasis on cryptocurrency, technical analysis, and spiritual matters of life. Source: Utopia. The research notes on Bitcoin and altcoins can be extensive and detailed in nature. While the reference to life in the Yoda avatar reflects the account's focus on ambition, learning, solitude and teaching, acting as a role model for my own ambitions in this world. 6. Josh Olswicks, at Carpe Noctem. Josh Olswicks, with Twitter handle at Carpe Noctem, formerly went by the name at Yom Satoshi and is a first-generation crypto fanatic who first started tweeting on the subject as far back as 2009. As such, Olswicks' followers can benefit from the experiences of someone who has seen crypto's booms and busts from day one. Now head of research at crypto investment house Valkyrie Digital Asset Management, Olswicks is keen to stress his views are his own and that his tweets don't constitute financial advice. At the same time, the ideas he shares on a wide range of coins are ideal for those looking for trading ideas. Drawing on elements of technical analysis, he uses charts and metrics to identify moments when crypto prices could break out. Those practical tips are backed up by research on ground-level aspects of the industry. These include reports on the proximity of Texas Bitcoin miners to renewable energy plants, which could go some of the way to solving Bitcoin's issue of having too large a carbon footprint for many potential investors. 7. Nicola Duke, at Nick Trades. Nicola Duke's increasingly popular Twitter account reflects the way cryptos are appealing to a new, wider audience. As one of the leading female influencers in the sector, her insight into a world once largely dominated by men has seen her gain more than 100,000 followers. It also reflects a step towards cryptocurrencies gaining greater mainstream acceptance. Compared to some other crypto Twitter accounts, which may go into granular detail of a small part of the market, the Nick Trades account is a more digestible read. This is backed up by her easy-to-follow and informative live trading sessions, which she hosts on her YouTube channel. There's enough technical analysis and chart research here for those looking for trade entry points. However, the neat feature of the Nick Trades account is that it incorporates research on geopolitical and financial system risk, and how those factors influence crypto prices. When Bitcoin was originally developed in 2009, it represented an outcry by those who believed the financial and political establishment had created a broken system. Nick Trades provides plenty of updates on why she and other crypto enthusiasts think that is still the case, and why crypto prices are potentially set to soar. 8. Tyler Winklevoss, at Tyler. One of the best-known crypto gurus on Twitter is Tyler Winklevoss, who has more than 1 million followers. The high profile dates back to his role in the creation of networking site Facebook, but has been cemented by Tyler setting up his own cryptocurrency exchange, Gemini. Tyler Winklevoss is a big player in the crypto markets, a true market insider. His posts give an insight into the thoughts of someone who is looking at the sector from a variety of different angles. While there's not much direct guidance on trading ideas, there are regular updates on the moves in the industry that are likely to influence prices. There may be more retweets than original material on this account, but the information shared is of benefit to anyone looking to understand how the crypto story will develop. 9. BitBit, at BitBit Crypto. BitBit is an out-and-out crypto investor. He runs a crypto prop shop, and the comments made on his Twitter page reflect to the extent of the time he spends following and trading the markets. There is a focus on the two most popular coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, whereby BitBit conducts extensive research on the relative strengths of the coins. Those with the view that there can only be one winner in the race to be the dominant crypto, backing BTC, or ETH- would do well to keep up to date with the analysis of a trader who concentrates on those two markets. The analysis shared by BitBit is predominantly based on price charts over different time frames, and there are few regroups. As such, the page is very much about his sharing his own ideas. If you want to keep up to date with someone who appears to be watching crypto 24/7, then BitBit is the page to follow. 10. Elon Musk, at Elon Musk. No shortlist of the most influential crypto investors on Twitter is complete without mention of Elon Musk. Not keeping up with the thoughts shared on the Elon Musk Twitter page can be a costly decision for any crypto trader. The maverick founder of Tesla only periodically makes comments on coins, but when he does, he can literally move markets. Little known altcoin Dogecoin, DOGE, for example, rocketed in value by more than 50% in one day when on 4th of February 2021 the Elon Musk account stated the following simple 5-word sentence: Dogecoin is the people's crypto. The relationship between Musk and Twitter looks set to undergo more twists and turns due to Elon's decision in October 2022 to buy Twitter for $44 billion. Having a confirmed fan of coins running one of the world's largest social media platforms opens the door to a range of new opportunities, some of which even the most ardent fans of crypto might not have considered possible.